Now let's break this down. 5 to the power of k plus 5 to the power of k is equal to 100. On the left hand side, you can see that we have two very identical terms, and both of them, when you add them together, even though it contains an unknown which is k, you can simply add them together. But before we do that, let's substitute another value just to simplify this. So let's say let y be equal to 5 to the power of k. So in place of 5 to the power of k, we put in a y. So this equation becomes, y plus y on the right hand side remains is equal to 100. Law of algebra says y plus y can be written as 2y, which is equal to 100. So we can divide both sides by 2, and then what we can get is 2, which is the coefficient. We can divide, and then this cancels out this. We are left with y is equal to 100 divided by 2 will give us 50. All right, and remember, we've gotten the value of y, but what we actually want to find is the value of k, and y here simply stands for k. So we can write y in place of y, we can write 5 to the power of k, which is equal to, the right hand side is a constant, which is 50. So our task now is to look for the value of k, and you know that 50 cannot be expressed as a power of 5, okay, as a multiple of 5 in that sense, without running into problems. Okay, so what you want to do is to introduce logarithm. So what you want to do is to take the logarithm of both sides, take the log of both sides, so we can get the value of k. So when we do that, we get log 5 to the power of k on this side, right? And then we get log 50 on the right hand side. And by the law of logarithm, we can simply move the k to this side of the expression. We can multiply the logarithm with k. So what we have is that k log 5, okay, and then on the right hand side we have log 50. So same thing we did here, we can divide both sides by log 5. We can divide both sides by log 5, and then we can simply eliminate log 5. And when we do that, we are left with k on this side, and then on the right hand side we are left with log 50 over log 5. You can definitely stop here, but if you want to take it a step further, you want to break it down, you can express log 50 as a product in terms of 5, so that we can simply cancel it out. Okay, so log 50, we can break it down as log 25 times 5, and that will be log 5, okay, plus times 5 times 2, okay, and over log 5. So 5 times 5, 25 times 2. So we can simply write this as k is equal to, by the law of logarithm, this can be written as log 5 plus log 5 plus log 2. All right, and then when you divide that by log 5, you simply get log 5 over log 5, log 5 over log 5, then we have a log 5 again over log 5, and then we have log 2 over log 5. And when you evaluate this, you get log 5 over log 5, log 5 over log 5. This is 1 and 1, and 1 plus 1 gives us what? 2, okay, plus log 2 over log 5, log 2 over log 5. This can be our final answer, but if you want to take a step further, you can see this becomes 2 plus log 2 base 5. You can eliminate base 10 by simply applying the law of logarithm in this case, and this becomes 2 plus log 2 base 5. So this is our final answer. So hope you follow along up to this point. Thank you for checking out this video. I'll see you in the next one.